It's time for a cooking video, bitch. This shit is too motherfucking low. Find something to prop this bitch on. You know what I mean, baby boy. Gotta get my water. Water's nutritious. What's up? It's Chad with a mustache. Okay, so it's just gonna be chips, the salsa.
So you want to first preheat your oven.
So fill your tray with crumbs, clearly. And then some chips, bitch. Ellie, you want that? Cheese. Comes in a tinfoil wrapper. Dude, this is not right. This is fucking wrong. Groomsmen, not groomsman. I'm multiple people. Men. This is some fucking chef shit. You can see it falling. I weigh 230 pounds today. 230 pounds. So you're gonna want to put those in there for approximately, I don't know. Usually eyeball it. I don't want them burnt though. When the cheese starts turning slightly melted / brown, then you want to take them out. Say hey, say hello. You gotta go pee-pee, go for a walk, maybe for a ride, go home, walk, for a ride. You wanna go for a... Yeah. Oh shit. Very nice. The nice.
Crispy.
These motherfuckers are gonna be so good.
These nachos are gonna taste really good. If anyone knows what ASMR is, leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite ASMR stuff is, because I can do really freaky stuff.
Let's check on these nachos downstairs. Broil 2 minutes. Noted. Nachos are a balanced diet. Tortilla. Don't want any labels in here. It's water. Okay. Broil's done. Okay, so when you're going for this, there's brown. But we don't want that. For salsa. Simple as that. Let's try it. Okay. Foolproof nachos, bomb.com. I'll talk to you guys later. Hasta la vista, baby. Peace. 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 Hasta la vista, baby.